Today's video, I want to show you a little bit. Was that fly?
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Grace, and my channel is about luxury lifestyle, DIYs, hauls, you know, all that wonderful stuff that makes us happy. Thank you so much for returning. I have an awesome video for you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my birthday vlog. So I want to show you a little bit of a project I'm working on, and I am really excited about it. It cost me $40 on Facebook Marketplace to put in my studio. I'm really having luck lately. I also bought a cabinet. What I fell in love with was the detail in the cabinet. The cabinet does have a little bit of damage, but that's okay because hubby's going to work his magic. I mean, if it was for me, I'd probably stick some bubble gum or something. I don't know, but not hubby, you know, Mr. Wood. No. And then I'm going to paint it. I think it's absolutely stunning. The detail on this cabinet, I think, is just beautiful. I'm excited to get started on it. In this video, I am going to vlog for my birthday, so I hope you enjoy it. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that red button below and hit the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, let's go.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming.
My husband is taking me on a treasure hunt, and now he's taking me to the mall. A lot of nice stores that I want to visit, so this is our first stop. There's always something to find, right? Not really for me, but out of curiosity. Let's see how much they are. $4.79. I don't think so. This is your thing, not my style. $119.
Wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star.
I don't know, honey. No, that would look like a dress on me. That's real cute. I like the belt. How much is that one?
$69.
Oh, that's a lot of money. Yeah, it is. Oh, here's a dress with pockets. I love pockets. Cute. Bought these in Vegas and I love them. I use them everywhere, so I'm trying to see if they still have them. They have these funky, fluffy ones. I don't know, do you see me as a fluffy person? Michael Kors, and I really like the way they feel on my feet. So that's where he's taking me, to the hill.
Sorry, honey. No, we're not going there.
What do you mean we're not going there?
No, we're not going there. Changed my mind.
Or where are you taking me?
I'm not telling you.
We don't need wine.
I need wine.
You don't even drink wine.
I need wine to make you happy.
Oh, I think we still have a couple of bottles.
No, we're all done. Check before we left.
Are you sure?
Positive.
This is one of my favorite wines, the Pinot Grigio. Here, let me get the door for you. Very pretty, look at that. What I love about this place is just so luxurious. They have always have beautiful fresh flowers. Oh, I like this. Bottle of wine and a birthday card. Marlot, very nice. From Chateau de Charmes. That's a very nice winery. Vintage hotels. Must be a standard card. And it says, special birthday wishes. We wish you an enjoyable stay at the Prince of Wales Hotel and Spa. Kind regards, Kelly. And she's the general manager. It's how sweet. But I do love this lamp. I think it's super cute. There's a fireplace here. And here we've got French doors to our own private little sitting area, which we're going to enjoy a nice glass of wine sitting here today. So hubby just told me that he tricked me, that we're not going to afternoon tea. So where are we going?
I'm going to the Noble restaurant for dinner.
Where?
The Noble restaurant.
The Noble, oh, that's a shishi poo poo restaurant.
It's right on the property, that way we don't have to go anywhere.
Cheers.
Nice, babe.
Here's to us. hubby and I decided to have the same thing. We're going to try the hot smoked organic salmon. For our main course, we're going with the butter seared flat steak. We're getting the same thing there. Beautiful patio, and the horses are right here. And they're so well loved and taken care of. That's beautiful. I love you, babe. Appetizer is the salmon served with a little bit of crinkle crumbs, a nice little salad with dried blood orange, Dijon mustard sauce. You know, guys, I have to tell you that this little stuff that's in the salad, I can't stand it. I choked once with it and that's it. But this is absolutely delicious. And let me show you the blood orange. Now, at first when they said blood orange, I'm going, what? But it is absolutely delicious. And it's dried. It's almost like a little wafer. Oh my God, it's so good. How's your dessert? I think he likes it, yeah. So, oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Oh, I love it.
Caramel cherries instead of caramel apple.
Yep, it's caramel cherries, and you've got a long stick of chocolate. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. And I'm gonna be enjoying it with a Monte Cristo coffee, and hubby is enjoying it with just a regular coffee.
I think it's mango.
Just going to enjoy a nice brisk walk. It's absolutely a beautiful night. They have the ghost walk. It's almost a history of the town, which I love. Hubby and I did that one year and we loved it, and certainly would love to do it again, but it's already started for today. Stuff you learn about this beautiful little town is amazing. I'm just going for my morning walk, and I gotta tell you, it's just so beautiful, so peaceful here. I mean, what more can you ask for? This is definitely one of my favorite places to visit in Ontario. If you're ever here, I do recommend visiting Niagara on the Lake. If you want that peaceful, luxurious feeling of a town, this is it. You can't go wrong.
Do you remember when we first met? I thought my eyes would fall straight out of my head. Guess we are living proof of love at first sight. But now we both see love in a different light. Keeping love alive, it's a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly, gotta give it wings. If you wanna make it right, bloom and thrive. Don't hold on too tight, you know you gotta
Lock and loaded. You want to be able to say remember when and not I wish I did. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please give my video a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all